Hello everyone, friends. Today I'll show you how to run GTA 5 without the anti-cheat. In Steam, you do this by opening Steam, right? Exactly. Now it's loading. I've launched both versions. So go to your library and find GTA here. Let's use GTA as an example. Go to Settings, click Properties there, and type in Launch Options, simply no BattlEye. This way it will launch without the anti-cheat. In Epic Games, go to Library, click the three dots, select Controls, enable Launch Options, and type No BattlEye. I think that's it. In Epic Games, without the letter E, just like that. This will also disable your BattlEye. That's it from me. Goodbye, everyone.